Mastering English, the art of sucking up. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might hear in movies, on TV shows, or in the office: sucking up. Understanding phrases like these is crucial to becoming fluent in English, so let's get started. To suck up to someone means to flatter or compliment someone, usually with the intention of gaining favor or approval. The phrase often carries a negative connotation, suggesting that the person doing the sucking up is not being sincere, but rather manipulative. Curiously, sucking up might bring to mind the image of literally sucking something up with a straw. However, the phrase is metaphorical and likely comes from the idea of trying to ingratiate oneself into someone's favor, as if being drawn in by suction. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. Casual setting: Jim is always sucking up to the boss by staying late and complimenting her management style. Formal setting: during the meeting, it was evident that one of the attendees was attempting to suck up to the chairperson by agreeing with all his points. Use sucking up when you want to describe someone who is trying too hard to please someone else. It's important to use this phrase in an appropriate context, as it may be seen as offensive or critical. Understanding the cultural context is key. In some cultures, what might be seen as sucking up is considered polite and respectful behavior. However, in English-speaking cultures, especially in a work environment, it's seen as a lack of authenticity or trying to get ahead unfairly. Instead of sucking up, you might use flattering, buttering up, currying favor, or ingratiating. All these terms carry similar meanings but can be used in slightly different contexts. Be cautious not to confuse sucking up with simply being kind or polite. It is the intent behind the action that often defines sucking up. Offering a compliment is normal, but doing so repeatedly to gain something can be considered sucking up. We hope this video has clarified what sucking up means and how you can use it, or avoid it, in everyday English. Remember, being sincere is always the best policy, but understanding the nuances of such phrases will help you navigate social and professional situations more effectively. See you in the next video.